Bad words.
Alright, got the gasket on, a couple of screws on there. Tighten up these two screws real quick.
Go for it. I'll hold it here for you.
Yeah, the whole motor only had like 2 screws holding it.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what I think? You know how everything was disconnected?
Yeah.
Somebody attempted to fix it. They probably started to take it off.
Yeah, but only had this one and that one down
And
there.
they didn't finish it. And it was 30 degrees. Actually, I think it was 31 last night.
Yeah.
At least that's what my phone said.
Oh, it was cold, man.
And so now it's an emergency, right? But that's okay.
Oh, we got one more screw in there?
Put all the screws back. The little pencil just worked pretty good, man.
Hell yeah, man. Alright, that's pretty good right there.
Alright, put all the wires back, put the panel back.
Let me get this one here, goes up to that one.
Yeah. That's the sensor. Actually, if the motor never turns, that never sends a signal for the furnace to start. It'll go like my grandson. No, no, no. They sell you a run cap.
Oh, what?
A run capacitor?
I don't think so.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Alright, the brown, hold on.
The brown goes with the brown.
The purple goes up here.
Okay. We go get that other heater going, and then we'll go shopping. What did you take off of here? That?
Nothing. I took the brown wire off and I put it back.
Okay.
Because there was the wrong brown wire.
That's good. That's fine.
Where those batteries go?
What? The pliers, the needle nose? What?
Yeah.
They're not in my pocket.
Way up here.
Oh. I use them as a box opener.
Alright. I'm going to push that back on there all the way.
Yeah.
Alright. Now, around to the round. Yellow to the yellow.
And connect the rollout switch back. That's fine, the yellow, the yellow, the yellow.
Okay.
Rollout switch. Right there.
it, huh?
Panel back. Got the ground, right? Oh, I don't have a ground.
No.
Doesn't have it.
These two are wire nutted together.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's fine.
Want to try it out?
Yeah. Well, no, you got to put that panel back because the flame's going to come out. It fails again. Yeah. So even if you don't put the screw on there, but just...
Yeah, just to protect it.
Put the switch on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that one doesn't make any noise.
It's already warm.
Really?
Yeah. Flame's on. You watch it for a little bit.
Yeah, but see how that inducer doesn't make any noise?
Yeah.
The other made a bunch of noise when it came on. I put the video on YouTube.
Already?
Oh yeah. Oh, this thing better be recording, man. Yeah.
Well, it's working like a champ. One more blinking.
One more blinking.
Right out here.
What's that noise?
Blade's coming back,
okay.
dude.
Okay. Turn the furnace on. Pull that.